Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you a simple yet striking card created with the Peaceful Moments bundle. Now this stamp set is absolutely terrific as it contains all of these fabulous sentiments for a variety of occasions. And then the beautiful dies that come with it are really fun and versatile as well. This card I'm going to show you was cased from SW Craftworks. So your measurements are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a matte layer of 4 by 5.25 inches, and then a white layer of 3 3/4 inches by 5 inches. Then you'll also need some scraps to create your flower. You'll need 2 shades of green. I've got Old Olive and Mossy Meadow. And then you'll need 2 shades of your choice for making the flower. I'm going to be using Cherry Cobbler and Real Red. And you'll also need just 1 small scrap of black cardstock as well. Since there is so much die cutting with this card, I've actually got my beautiful new die cutting and embossing machine on the table for you to watch. I've named my machine Susie, which stands for Stampin' Up, Cut and Emboss. So, using my lovely new friend Susie, I'm going to cut out all the pieces I need to create my flowers and stems. Now the only bit of stamping I need to do on this card is to choose a sentiment. And I'm going to stamp that using Memento Black ink in the upper right corner of my white cardstock. Now since I'm sort of thinking of this as a Remembrance Day card, I'm going to use this Always Remember sentiment. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to sign up for Creativity to Go, which means once a month you'll get prepared supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door for you to complete on your own schedule. I am also hosting casual Zoom crafting sessions where you can bring any project you happen to be working on and enjoy a fun social crafting time with others. Find all of these details and so much more on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye!